Hi, this is Wayne Odegard with Aviation Laboratories, and today I'd like to give a brief overview of our oil analysis lab report. The lab report looks something like this, and this is available to you when you send a sample into us. It's also available online, so what will happen is after we get the sample, the oil sample, we do the analysis, we'll send you an email with this report, a PDF file of this report attached to it, but you can also go online and look for this report there. What I'd like to do is briefly discuss the report. So basically we have the newest report to the lowest report, or the oldest report on here. There's only 3 of them on here, and each of the reports is unique. The data that you've given us is over here on the right hand side of the report, and all of the data that we've gotten from the oil sample is on the left or the middle part of this report. This top section with the colors on it is for the oil analysis report, and if you sent us an oil filter, that information will be a little bit lower on that report down in this section here. And then the bottom part of each of these samples contains comments that our lab manager includes with the report. If you have any issues, if we see any high metals, if we see anything unusual with your sample, we'll put that in the comments section here. And the comments are we sort of take a just the facts ma'am, the dragnet approach to comments. What that means is we give you just the facts in the way that the engine manufacturer would like to have them, so that you can just show them this report and it contains all of the information that they require. So each of these is a unique analysis. The numbers here and the colors here are indicative of changes or absolute values of the sample. What I mean by that is the parentheses numbers in this box, in each of these boxes, is the average number that we've gotten of all of the samples in our database that are the same engine as yours, the approximate oil hours that you have on your sample, and the approximate engine hours that you have on your sample. And we average all those and we give them to you down here in these parentheses. The top number, the primary number, is the number that we've gotten from your oil sample. And one of the ways we use colors is that we compare the average against the value that we've gotten for your sample, and if there's a significant difference to those, we change the box color to a yellow or a red. That's one way. That's the first way. Comparative statistics, we call that. The more important of those, though, is the trend of what's actually happening as the changes that we see from sample to sample of your oil analysis. So in that case, we compare this number or this number to the latest sample. And if there's a significant change from one oil sample to the next oil sample, we change the number color to a red. You can see that here in the red. That we call that a trend statistics. And then the final way we use color is we have this alarm meter up here, and basically even if you have some red or yellow colors down here, that doesn't necessarily mean that your oil, that your engine has an internal problem. So we like to give you kind of an overall rating. So if you're not interested in any of the other things, the absolute values, the statistics, the trends, the comparative analysis, any of that, and you just want to know, is your engine wearing the way it should be wearing, you can just look up here at the top, and we'll tell you that up in this meter. So this is the Aviation Laboratories version of our oil analysis report and an oil filter analysis report. For more information on this, you can go to the knowledge box on our website, or you can leave comments below and we'll answer those questions that you might have. If you like this video and you'd like to see more of them, please click the subscribe button below, and we'll have many of these in the future. See you then. Bye-bye.